If you are trying to build credit from scratch or repair a low credit score, Kikoff is one of the simplest tools you can start with today. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to build credit with Kikoff, how it works behind the scenes, and how to use it correctly so it actually improves your credit score, not just in theory but in real life. Let us start with the basics. Kikoff is a credit building platform designed for people with no credit or poor credit. The key thing to understand is that Kikoff does not work like a traditional credit card. You are not borrowing cash and you are not paying interest. Instead, Kikoff reports a small, controlled line of credit to the credit bureaus and helps you build a positive payment history over time. Why does this matter? Because your payment history and credit utilization make up a large portion of your credit score. Kikoff focuses on those two factors. Now let me explain how Kikoff actually works. When you sign up for Kikoff, you choose a credit building plan. The most common option is a small line of credit that you use inside the Kikoff store. You might see a credit limit like $750 or more, but you are not given cash. Instead, you use the credit to purchase digital products or services within Kikoff. Here is the important part. Even though you are not receiving physical goods, Kikoff reports this account to major credit bureaus as an active credit line. Every month you make your payment on time, that positive payment activity is reported. Over time, this helps you build a strong payment history, which is one of the most important parts of your credit score. Now let us talk about how to use Kikoff correctly, because simply signing up is not enough. First, you must always pay on time. Kikoff is most effective when your payments are never late. Set up automatic payments from your bank account so you do not forget. One missed payment can slow down your progress. Second, keep your utilization low. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit you are using. Kikoff is structured in a way that already helps with this, but you still want to make sure your balance stays low compared to your credit limit. This signals responsible credit used to lenders. Third, be consistent. Credit building is not instant. Most people start seeing changes within 1 to 3 months, but real improvement happens over time. Using Kikoff consistently for 6 months or more can make a noticeable difference, especially if you previously had no credit at all. Now let us address the big question. Is Kikoff worth it? For beginners, yes. Kikoff is especially useful if you have no credit history, are recovering from past mistakes, or have been denied traditional credit cards. There is no hard credit check to sign up, which means your score is not hurt when you apply. That alone makes it attractive for people just starting out. However, Kikoff should not be your only credit tool forever. Think of it as a foundation. Once your score improves, you may qualify for a secured credit card or a low-limit unsecured card. Combining Kikoff with 1 or 2 other healthy credit accounts can speed up your progress. Another important thing to understand is expectations. Kikoff will not magically boost your credit score overnight. Anyone promising instant results is not being honest. What Kikoff does is give you a clean, controlled way to build positive credit data. Your score improves because your credit profile improves, not because of a trick. Now let me walk you through the general sign-up and setup process. You start by creating an account on Kikoff's website or app. You provide basic personal information so they can report your activity correctly to the credit bureaus. Once you select your plan, you link your bank account for monthly payments. That is it. After that, Kikoff handles the reporting automatically. You do not need to manually send anything to the credit bureaus. Just keep your account active and paid on time. One mistake I see people make is ignoring their credit report. Even while using Kikoff, you should regularly check your credit report to make sure everything is being reported correctly. Look for the Kikoff account, check that payments are marked as on time, and monitor your overall credit utilization. If you are serious about building credit, this habit matters. Let us also talk about who Kikoff is not for. If you already have excellent credit and multiple credit cards with high limits, Kikoff will not add much value for you. It is designed for beginners and rebuilders. If that is you, Kikoff can be a smart, low-risk starting point.